Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two grooming giants. In the left corner, we have the Braun Clean and Renew Refill Cartridges CCR, and in the right corner, the Andis TS1 Pro Foil Lithium Titanium Foil Shaver. Let the showdown begin. Alright, let's talk about the most important factor for many of us, the price. The Braun Clean and Renew Refill Cartridges CCR comes in at a wallet-friendly $23 for a pack of 4. Not bad, right? But hold on to your razors, because the Andis TS1 Pro Foil Lithium Titanium Foil Shaver comes in at $67. Now, that's a bit steeper, but remember, it's packed with some serious features. So, if you're looking for a premium experience, it might be worth the splurge. Hygiene is crucial, especially when it comes to shaving. The Braun Clean and Renew Refill Cartridges CCR uses an alcohol-based cleaning solution that not only cleans your shaver but also provides optimal hygiene. Plus, it has a refreshing lemon fresh formula. Who doesn't want their face to smell like lemons? On the other side, the Andis TS1 Pro Foil Lithium Titanium Foil Shaver doesn't have a specific cleaning solution, but it does have flexible hypoallergenic titanium foil cutters that are easy to clean. So, if you're not a fan of refill cartridges, this might be the one for you. Now let's talk performance. The Braun Clean and Renew Refill Cartridges CCR ensures your shaver's best performance with its high-energy lubricants. Just replace the refill cartridge every 2 months, and you'll experience a shaver like new every day. It's like giving your razor a spa day. Meanwhile, the Andis TS1 Pro Foil Lithium Titanium Foil Shaver boasts a turbocharged motor that runs at a whopping 9,000 revolutions per minute. That's some serious power. With this bad boy, you'll experience a close shave on your neck, face, and hairline. It's like having a professional barber in the palm of your hand. Battery life is always a concern, especially when you're on the go. The Braun Clean and Renew Refill Cartridges CCR doesn't have a battery, but it works with any Clean&Charge unit. So as long as you have a charging station nearby, you're good to go. On the flip side, the Andis TS1 Pro Foil Lithium Titanium Foil Shaver comes with a lithium-ion battery that delivers an impressive 2 hours of cordless runtime. Plus, it recharges rapidly in just 60 minutes. No more waiting around for your shaver to juice up. Finally, let's talk about those extra features that make a difference. The Braun Clean and Renew Refill Cartridges CCR doesn't have any additional bells and whistles, but it's a reliable and straightforward option that gets the job done. Now, the Andis TS1 Pro Foil Lithium Titanium Foil Shaver is packed with convenience. It has a no-slip rubber grip, a travel lock for those on-the-go adventures, and even a pop-up trimmer for those tricky spots. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for your grooming routine. Reviewers say that the Braun Clean and Renew Refill Cartridges CCR provide effective cleaning and lubrication for Braun shavers, ensuring longevity and performance. They also mention the refreshing scent and cost-effectiveness of the pack of 4 cartridges. On the other hand, reviewers praise the Andis TS1 Pro Foil Lithium Titanium Foil Shaver for its long battery life, great blades, and powerful motor. They appreciate its ease of use, cleaning process, and suitability for head shaving. And there you have it, folks. The Braun Clean and Renew Refill Cartridges CCR and the Andis TS1 Pro Foil Lithium Titanium Foil Shaver have battled it out, but the decision is ultimately yours. If you prioritize affordability and hygiene, the Braun Clean and Renew is a solid choice. But if you're looking for a premium, high-performance experience with extra features, the Andis TS1 Pro Foil is the way to go. Thanks for joining us on Buy Smart. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with all our future showdowns. Stay smart and happy shopping.